Hey guys, we received this 64 gig digital voice recorder for test and try. It have a playback feature as well, 3-in-1 digital audio recorder with the MP3 music player. So you can also use it as a flash drive or MP3 player. I will show that to you. So a small flash drive, uh, you know, design, as you can see it here, and have a inbuilt voice recorder. So comes with these accessories. This is the adapter to transfer this voice recorder to attach it with the PC with this supplied USB adapter, and there comes with this two microphones as well. So this have a headphones port like a microphones. I will show that to you, and the total size is around I will say 5.8 inches, and the thickness is around 0.4 inches. So comes with this two headphone set that you can use to play and hear back your audio, and you can also play these audio files into the laptop or any other device. So there is a on and off switch on the top, and then you can see this start indication. The indication also show the battery level, and you can charge the battery through the USB adapter. So this is the adapter. This is very important adapter for this device. So once you add this, so I recorded some of the voice because this is auto activated. Once you start, and you can just record directly. So once I put it in the PC, it will recognize this, and you can see like the name here as a USB disk. And when the USB disk is on, you can see all the folders here. So record folder. So I recorded this voice. So nice voice recorder, and you can store your MP3 files in it as well, and then play it anywhere you want. So it's a 3-in-1 voice recorder flash drive thing.